Make sure you're prepared ahead of time in case you lose your Android phone. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and we have all misplaced an important item at least once, so make sure you're ready in case you accidentally lose track of your smartphone. If you have an Android, you're going to want to set up the Find My Device app. Then you're going to want to turn that on by opening your Android settings app, tapping Security, Find My Device. And if you don't see that option, it may be under the Google option like it is here. Then make sure Find My Device is turned on. Next, you want to make sure that your location is turned on. That way you'll be able to access your phone's location from another device if you lose it. Head to the Settings app, tap Location, and turn it on. If you don't see location, go to your phone's manufacturer's support site for more help. Next, turn on two-step verification. Go to your Google account, tap Security, and on the Signing into Google tab, tap two-step verification. Add at least one additional second step, either a backup code or a backup phone. Then check if you can find your device by going to android.com/find and signing into your Google account. If your device goes missing, whether you misplaced it or believe it was stolen, your lost phone will get a notification, and you should be able to see it on the map if it hasn't been stolen and turned off. To find out more tips about how to use your Android, simply go to cyberguy.com and search Android. While you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.